Happy birthday, America. Today we are going to Disney. Tomorrow we're going to do our own thing at our house, some sparklers and some firecrackers, so come along.
Hi, so we're going to do and it's gonna be fireworks, and so
Hi. You videoing?
yes, don't be in it. Hi, so my mom this come, but it's sunny day. Let me show you.
Go get dressed. Let's do this. Disney, here we come. Go see the 4th of July fireworks.
Haley, though.
Who are we going to pick up?
Haley. Haley's my friend.
Oh, yeah.
Hi.
You got all your 4th of July gear on. You're so cute. All right, let's go. Ready for Disney, girls?
Yeah!
Woohoo! Thank you. You too. So, July 3rd, we're going to see the fireworks. It's probably not going to be as crowded as July 4th.
Because Daddy said July 4th is one of the crowdest days of anything.
So we're here, pulling in. Fireworks at Disney, of course, are always great, but fireworks for the 4th of July are pretty spectacular. I went last year for the first time. So the girls weren't with us, so this is the first time that they're going to be seeing
Yes,
them.
and I'm super excited.
No, I'm done.
All right.
Like this. Put it down here. Someone dropped their socks.
We got to park pretty close. Ticket and transportation. I'm guessing because of the weather and also because we're here at a random time in the afternoon going into the evening. So we're getting right onto the monorail.
Charlie, there's a
Come
monorail.
along. It's going to be fun.
There's the green monorail.
Yeah, that's
We are here. There's a parade going on. It's so pretty and cute. There you can meet Mickey and Tinkerbell in there. Sorry. That over there is Main Street. So, yes.
Yep. Yeah, because it's not scary. You go really slow.
Like that, right over there.
Yeah,
It's
over
slower
there in the
than
water.
So people move very fast.
Bye, peace. We're gonna die!
So we just sat down, well not just sat down, we've been sitting down and we ordered our food and we ate and we are getting ready to go watch fireworks. They start in an hour, right? An hour. So Charlie, are you excited about the fireworks?
You need this?
Yeah, no, I have
Sing it out. It's cool to see all this when it lights up. There's a lot of people here.
Spice Girls. 5 minutes and counting to the fireworks. We are so smushed and smothered between like millions of people right here at Cinderella's castle.
I just want to take all my clothes off.
We're excited to see them, but I'm feeling a little claustrophobic. And you smell everyone. Happy birthday, America. Our night at Disney last night was awesome. It was so packed. The fireworks were amazing though. We got home really late. We were exhausted. And I was up at 5:45 a.m. to teach, but that's okay. So today we are on our way to the lake and we are hoping that the thunderstorms hold off. The clouds don't look so good.
Morning. Good morning. This is mine.
Lake bound, at least for a little bit, until the thunderstorms come.
Happy birthday, America!
They just did pew, right? And then it was the biggest one.
It's gone.
We are enjoying all of the neighbors' awesome fireworks. They are amazing. We're waiting for Jeff to come home from work to do some of our just little kitty fireworks, little firecrackers and sparklers. But right now we're having the time of our life just watching the neighbors' fireworks for free.
If you don't want to go on by, just watch them in your neighborhood.
Yeah. The kids are having a blast running around in the neighborhood. I had to call him back in for a little bit because it was starting to light. It was starting to lightning.
You should see the sky. It's
But the
really
sky,
fun.
yeah, you'll see the sky in
But it
some of
looks
the
like it's just
shots.
blowing
It's
over.
super dark, but then
It's like dark.
So again, Florida weather, but we're really hoping that Jeff makes it home and there's
Safely.
no storming so the kids can do their sparklers because we're holding off.
Charlie,
They've
come
done
back
their
in.
little snap and pops and they're having fun with those, but we have sparklers, little tanks. I got little firecrackers,
Charlie,
little
come
smoke
on.
bombs, just all the fun little kid stuff that's safe. And we're enjoying them from the comfort of our garage. We just got a grand view of all of the neighbors.
You don't have to walk anywhere or go anywhere. It's like a perfect view.
Yeah. And our irrigation started going off, so we backed up out of the driveway so that we did not get soaked by our irrigation.